Watch this video and learn how to draw a castle. Later in the show, Bobby Bananas has a dance break. And watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Well, come on, gang. It's time for Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Artie.
Hands,
Artie. I don't think he hears us, little
I'll go
artist.
get my
Artie.
paper and a
Artie.
Oh, hello. Artie didn't see you. Welcome to Artie's show. I'm Artie, and we're going to do a drawing. Yeah.
Hello, little artists!
Hey kids, how's it going?
Are you ready, Artie?
I am ready to make some art.
What are you going to draw today, Artie? Do you have an idea? Let's draw a castle.
Yeah. Okay, let's start. Yeah. We'll start with the art. And Artie made a little rhyme.
Let's start by drawing a large triangle right in the center of the page towards the top. Don't forget to draw the horizontal line to connect the two ends. That's it, Artie. Now let's draw a smaller triangle on the left side. The right side, the left side, and don't forget the bottom. Wouldn't it be fun to live in a castle, Artie?
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh.
Now we'll add another triangle on the right side. Try and make it about the same size as the one you drew on the left. If Artie's drawing too quick for you, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now underneath the small triangle on the left, let's do two vertical lines, a horizontal line, and then a stepped line going all the way across. Now underneath the big triangle, let's draw a horizontal line, and then a line on the left, a line on the right, and again, let's do that stepped line all the way across. Up, down, up, down. Perfect. Now, the small triangle on the right, of course, let's do the same over there.
Happy day, Artie!
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Your art is so amazing. It's hopping right into my heart.
Oh,
I'm off to nibble some carrots.
okay.
Bye,
Bye.
Artie.
Bye.
That's the 3 turrets of our castle finished. Now let's draw a long line down on the left side at a slight angle, and then another one on the right also coming in at an angle, and a little horizontal line to connect the two ends at the bottom. Can you do the same on the right one? That's right. And then angled line in, and a little horizontal one at the bottom. Very good, Artie.
Oh, I think we should stop and have a dance break.
You want to have a dance break?
Yeah,
Well, I suppose we can.
yeah, dance break, dance break, dance break.
Back in my day, you'd see me in many a ballroom.
Betty, do you want to dance with me?
dressing room, darling. I mean... Oh, fantastico. Fantastico 10.
Dance break, dance break, dance break, dance break.
Well, that was a fun one.
Yeah, that was really good fun.
Bobby did really well.
Oh, Artie loves dance breaks.
Should we carry on with the drawing?
Yeah,
Come on then.
okay.
Now let's draw a stepped line going all the way across between the towers. Start on the left side. Remember, we go across, up, down, across, up, down, across. It's like marching. Coming up soon, don't miss Artie in a cartoon. Now let's draw the angled lines down on the main big central tower. Let's draw a horizontal line all the way across the bottom of the castle. Let's draw a door, otherwise we'll never get in. 2 straight lines and then half a circle across the top. This is called an arch. Let's draw another one on the outside just to give it some thickness and some dimension. This is looking really, really good, Artie.
Have you seen Painty around?
I haven't seen Painty in quite a while.
No, neither have I. Uh-oh, here comes Painty.
Oh, Bunny, it's not funny. Painty's made a big splodgy red mess everywhere now. I'm going to have to clean that up. I'll do it later when we finish this drawing. Oh, I like those little windows, Artie, that you're drawing in the towers. Little arched windows shaded in black. That's a very, very nice touch. This castle is looking majestic.
Oh, could I have a cartoon break, please?
Well, why not?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Artie, let's find things that are shaped like a pyramid.
Artie loves pyramids.
Is there something pyramid-shaped in the store window?
Pyramid cake.
Is there something pyramid-shaped in these sand castles?
Yes, a pyramid roof.
That's right.
Another pyramid roof. Artie loves pyramid shape. Oh, that was a really good cartoon break.
It was really good.
Yeah.
Let's finish the drawing.
Oh, yeah.
Come along then.
Okay.
Let's add window sills under the windows. All we have to draw is a little rectangle just underneath each of the arched windows. Let's add doors to the front. Just a straight line right down the middle. That's all it takes. Should we add some flagpoles to the top? A straight line with a little circle will do it on each one. Don't forget the middle one. Perfect. Let's add flags. We'll just draw a little Z shape with another little Z shape right below and then a V at the end. And there's a flag.
Hi, Artie. Whoa, that drawing is so dramatic. It's like an opera. Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, Barry, all the dogs are barking again. Ugh. That's right, Artie. You add some flags and I'll try and keep the dogs quiet. Excellent work. Now let's add some bushes to the left and right of the castle. Later on, when we're colouring in, we'll make these nice and green. That's it. You know, I think you might be finished. What do you think?
I'm finished.
Great. Are you going to colour it in?
Yeah. Color it in. 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 Artie's finished. All done.
Artie, this is one of your best drawings ever. It's fantastic. And I love the colour. I love the pink roots.
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
Okay.
Wow, what a great show. We'll see you next time. Goodbye, little artists.
Have an arty day!
Thank you for watching the Artie Show. I hope you come and see us again really soon. Bye bye for now. Bye bye. Bye bye.